I am Suresh Babu, fellow member of Institute of Cost Accountants of India. I want to thank all the people who has watched my videos, subscribed and forwarded to many people. As I said in my previous videos, financial independence depends on 3 steps. First step, term insurance. Already one video was uploaded. Now this video is about health insurance. Every week I am uploading one video in Telugu and English. Those who has not seen, they can see my videos. In this video, we will discuss in detail about the health insurance. Now, why it is required? Because health costs are rising day by day. So whatever we save in every year, so may vanish, may not be sufficient once we hospitalize. So it is better for stability of your life, better to take health insurance policy for self, spouse, dependent children and parents. Now, before taking a policy, what is the parameters we have to consider? That we will discuss about the one by one in detail. Here I am going to explain one by one all parameters for who is not having understanding. Always take floater policy. That means if a family is having self, spouse, dependent children or parents, so any person gets sick, hospitalized, the entire policy, sum insured, may be taken utilized for one person or many persons based on the need. Suppose I need not specify for a husband is this much and wife is this much, children 1, children 2 is this much, no need to specify. So it is the sum insured is a common amount, maximum ceiling amount for any of the family member or members. That is the meaning of floater policy. And always take cashless treatment policy. Majority of companies issuing this, please go for cashless treatment. That means if a policy holder approaches any hospital in case of need, just producing the policy copy or ID card, they will take approval from the insurance company and they will give no need to pay single rupee to the hospital. Next, deductibles only we have to pay. And additional insurance, suppose the person is working in a company and company is providing one policy, still is better to take one separate policy because the person may change another company and pre-existing diseases 2 years or 3 years depends upon the disease, it will be there depending upon the insurer also. So better to have separate policy to avoid contingencies. So while selecting insurer or insurance company, you please see that network of hospital where you are staying should be many. So you are taking policy of one company where you are staying not much hospitals in that network. So then may be problem. You have to approach for only reimbursement of expenditure. Then based on the age of the policy holder, if you want outpatient coverage also, you have to pay extra premium, take that policy based on the premium amount. And while selecting, you have to see the claim settlement ratio. That means, suppose if an insurance company received 1000 applications, 990 applications settled, then it is called 99% claim settlement ratio. So always go for the where claim settlement ratio is the higher. And in case of some ceiling and other things, even the slight claim settlement ratio is less, better to prefer based on the flexibility and your family requirements. And please have understanding about deductibles like syringes in operation theatre, hand gloves, consumables, cotton, etc. What is the deductibles before reimbursement? Please consider that also while deciding the insurance company from where you want to take the policy. And what is the ceiling, upper limit for the surgeon, operation theatre charges, bed charges in case of hospitalization, and whether policy covers cataract, all the things. And in case of cataract, what is the maximum amount they will pay? You please have the understanding. And automatic restoration of sum insured. That means if a person has taken, let us say 5 lakhs insurance policy, one member hospitalized out of 4 members, 3 lakhs was exhausted and another claim arises for another 3 lakhs. So total 6 lakhs. Sum insured is only 5 lakhs. So the balance automatically it will be restored. So that automatic restoration some companies are offering. Please see the condition also and terms and conditions of all the terms conditions of the insurance company before paying the premium amount. And what is the initial waiting period? And there are some waiting periods like diabetics, BP, that is hypertension, thyroid, etc. and other health conditions. So what is the waiting period? 2 years, 3 years, And in case of critical illness, suppose sudden heart stroke, that 3 months after taking the policy, etc., you have to consider. Suppose today you are taking the person is taking the policy, and next week he is submitting the claim. They may not accept, may accept based on the terms and conditions. So please see the all terms and conditions like critical illness and ambulance charges, pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, certain in case of certain diseases like heart operations, etc. After discharge from the hospital also 2 months, 1 month, like that you have to, a person has to take the medicines. Some companies while taking the policy up to 1 month, up to 2 months, post discharge hospitalization also they will reimburse, they will pay money. So you please see before pre-hospitalization. In some conditions, patient has to be brought from house to the hospital through ambulance. Ambulance charges, those things also please consider. Daycare procedures. Nowadays, because of modern medical treatments, morning a patient can be admitted, by evening or by night he can reach back home. They will discharge. That's called daycare procedures also, whether reimbursement is there or not. Same way you have to consider all other parameters of the insurance policy. And top-up charges, instead of taking 10 policy, 5 lakhs basic sum assured, 5 lakhs top-up, or 10 lakhs basic sum insured, another 10 lakhs top-up, or 5 lakhs top-up based on your requirements, family needs, age of the family members. Please take a proper decision. Similarly, some policies offer co-payment. Co-payment means suppose he has taken 10 lakhs policy. One claim came for 1 lakh. In case of co-payment, if it is a 10%, you have to pay 10% to the insurance company. Balance 90,000, the insurance company will pay to the hospital. In case of 20%, in case of 1 lakh claim, 20,000 a person has to pay. Balance 80,000, the insurance company will pay to the hospital. And suppose the person living in a city, gone to the village or his native place, and suddenly has fallen sick, he has to go to the nearest hospital for survival. Then that is the case, after coming back to the hometown or city, he will reimburse. He will submit reimbursement document to the insurance company. What is the procedure? Like prescription, documents, bills, hospital discharge summary, etc. What is the reimbursement procedure also? Let us have knowledge. And similarly, some case of renewal, what is the terms, conditions? In case of no claim bonus, they will increase the sum insured, some companies. And like that, you have to see the other terms, conditions. All policy terminology, please read, understand. If you are not understanding, talk to the insurance company. And you have senior citizen parents, then think about whether you want to include or not, because taking a policy separately takes time and very costly also. And recently, insurance company, February 26, IRDAI has released the claim settlement ratio of the major companies. So if a claim is settled within 3 months, it is called okay. They will accept as consideration. After 3 months also, they may settle claim. That they are not reflected in the statistics. It is published in many newspapers. You can go through. So whoever wants to see the claim settlement ratio, they can pause this video. They can see. This is Handbook of Insurance, IRDAI handbook they have released. In case of claim rejection, you please follow the grievance process of the insurance company, because first every company they may change the procedure. And first we have to, let us say, submit to customer care, then you are not satisfied, then you have to refer to grievance redressal officer. Then if they have not received any response within 1 month or not satisfied with the outcome of the insurance company, then approach insurance ombudsman. The website is cioins.co.in. You can submit your grievance through mail or postage to the address, and maximum insurance is 50 lakhs now at this moment. All insurance companies are governed by IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It is working under Ministry of Defence. So next issue is how much insurance amount you should take policy. Suppose based on the age of the people, that is family composition, self, spouse, dependent children and parents, or self, spouse, dependent children, based on the health condition and age, you please take the proper amount. That is a 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. If it is a 4 members, I think at least 10 lakhs you should have minimum coverage based on the present charges which is they are charging to the customers by the major corporate hospitals. And similarly, and wherever you want to take, you please read and take proper decision, because the health insurance is only for the financial security of the family. It's not that any other purpose. It is only security, so that by taking proper insurance, proper amount from proper company, your stability will not get disturbed. Some banks are offering with a low premium, like group insurance by the bank, like State Bank of India customers, account holders. SBI General Insurance is offering 10,000 per year per family. Suppose wife and husband, children, all the age is less than 60, they can pay just 10,000 premium, including all taxes. They can take 10 lakhs coverage. Like that, just here I am recommending SBI General Insurance just as information purpose only. It is not that I am recommending. So if your account is having with Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, any other bank, ICICI Bank, talk to your banker, and if insurance is there providing as a cheaper rate compared to direct individual approaching from the respective insurance company, you take proper decision. Thank you for watching this video. My YouTube channel name is CMA Somisetty Suresh Babu. Thank you.